Ebushafo ma akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH mesrel like, comment, subscribe. Then on notification also so that anytime you post a video bit say we are kebi. We a very first time me political life more me own say because me I follow politics across the whole world. Japan focus to about me interest me share. Me I look at the dynamics. I look at who is in the lead. Nipa or lead no. Why is in the lead? Conform move voters no must saying idea ben policies ben on woody bro for. I follow all those details. United Kingdom, Germany, Israel, all over. US, Canada, all over. Now, we a very first time I me who say me na me come myself. Me who say opposition parties were ho. And the purpose of every political party is to get political power. So a party na wo na yento abama say kwaban mu na so dia open no na say na obet media bomb man no fire na so it's basically useless. And see eye afrafranto for CPP for PPP for nyina obi apese on wini election obe ye government party in power. Na ebane say na political parties a person be government in power, party in power there. Instead say be attack government of the day, sitting government no, current government na NDC government. Instead some be attack sa party no. They are rather focusing on attack no, on the biggest opposition party MPP.
Ken obi o de Ghana card aba wama otifie otimi ye mobile money ko ba mi entimi mo Ghana for
Ofa medase ofa ho nsem a waka ni nyina ne papa ne bae no oboa wom ba he wasn't the brainchild of Sadio Mane nyina. He wasn't the brainchild oboa me very objective ade ye no kra meka say no kra
I've been thinking about it. I've been trying to get answers from my own self. Answers now. Because MPP wants to go back to power. Afrafranto for they should be willing, they should be wanting to also be taste power. Yes, sir. We base for it. They should be willing to maybe get ready to become a party in power. Na banesena nuanuma muti we base we muide. And we base for Mudi Munye to Brota Mamudu Baumia Swa. Baumia is not in power. The party in power no. NDC. The president of the day. John Dramani Mahama. And we base for. Yenyu anomo. Muni no ni etni party bakumu. Musi mumpe. And I'm makoti we base. Now we base no so no. I mean, can't you concentrate and campaign for yourselves? You want to use Baomia's popularity to campaign, then we fail you. Because esa Baomia popularity na NPP for so. Yedibe campaign. And if you want to come and patch retest there, yeah, my mum patch. So go and look for we base not the money leaders ana. We base for it. Munka chile say money leaders are any because party musumu opposition na ese munfa munyama into akwema to also get ready for power. Then you are rather attacking another opposition party. Or you feel say Abia MPP decrease here, it will go to your advantage. Why are you forgetting about NDC? I don't know. Political principle being political science students no. Munchireme. Political principle being pull down another opposition party and leave out the party in power. To gain what? And now we base 1% by the biggest opposition party. Anna. There's no juice in opposition. Juice be any opposition. Mufesi NDC. We base for your opponent is NDC. Your opponent is not MPP. So leave Baumia alone. Nyanyakupo enshira no. Atamfo. Muntiminye no shi. Don't you realize the more we base for it, more attacking Baumia, the more Dr. Mamudu Baumia is growing younger, looking more appealing, the more Ghanaians are calling for his return. So Baumia a mistake. Now, why not listening to Kumasi for the other time when the market women were speaking? Say, oh, we did my mistake. Pass on one Pia Koto Abama MPP, on Pia Koto Abama Dr. Mamudu Baumia. After the I didn't hear we base for. You should be worried. But mu come na mko campaigner. Mu catch mu say NDC for promises 24-hour economy promise 133. Mko catch mu say you ka free primary health care enye polyclinic nkwa na say cover. District hospitals are supposed to be part of free primary health care. We base for say points na mu nibia mu be bisa ye mamo and go to the people and campaign to the people and leave Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia's name alone. Ade ya bremu we base for yi.
Company no kwafo.
Ofanka no kron.
There be offer enye wo de kra na meka me nuanu mi omu bae omu di kan omu abeka se omu kwe offer me say enye otan enye anibre any person kunya nka me nuanu mienu omu akasa wie omu si for me nka nsem omu beka en nka omu nka na me sina mi gu so omu ne say inti ekoto wabado enanka go in their favor ema nipa no mo support no ebaya inti nka senen eneno omu si ese NPP ese Dr. Mamudu Bawumia inti nka sa na nkombe kasa na me question na mi gu so omu ye ba akopɛ se inti nka delegate ni to ma ken ebe lead NPP a enkene ensem na ye kafa wuntumi ho no enen kasa na nkombe kana enne sankrofo we say no enka ken ebedi yanimu a inti nkombe ba di jono maka say NPP ase Ghana na ana nkombe ba be ka say ye mo nsem ema ken because ono ye ken dini na ono no de NPP ne Ghana ebeko ayi bosha asase so ofare de bia me ka say mi say se me am here lay am about platform say me support to third force me support to obia on me na ban anase le party e ma ban mu da na mmom no se nipa no na ban anase le party aban mu da dia na se ene wate ne ho se okwa ne party a ofa sa nipa no minjini because number one maybe say o party ba power no ana wo kasa party no e den to one out the boa party no e ma me metimamuni no me nya so mfaso
Oji mi bo se ebia na on say o papa sorry metiwe na o ya me ba. Se me ma authority se bia ebia o beju for instance okay me na me eja ofie me na me ya ko homa na mo di me boa enti be scam na wo me nsem na me de ba ma me na o dia na odua won't even chia ne awpe kosi se wo start se wo awo ye wodwuma de make am to mase o de ho a na obetima akoy odwuma di ne opentike o ma ye president
of a point of correction
ana hono
ba abrochi ho ya ye we ofa menu mi mbedi ho dance se aduane aye ba kondo ene ye manidi
abrochi onya Ghana
ofa me even Ghana offer ye ne babidi because ne bana ni die ene ni die person we talking about and as a ni pay ene me nuanu mafa ho yaw afa ho tan e dey tarnish NPP image no na
na so omutai okay fe Matias
na o dibre ewo aban ni mo ye busa se ni dibre no e den no de ya bo a emaburu na wo man ni mu no ofa sa ni paya ene me nuanu makwahye na chi e de otan ni ahoya kasa fi efa NPP ho a ene omubo obi asembia mu no ofa sa ni pa no enu bi etwem no a member of parliament o na okoye member of parliament no e dey na emaburu no be obey no de call parliament say emaburu na wo man ni mu no ebre intele no me president sa bill we say of Atiminka. And then no, me present sa bill we sing. Bill we mummy and pass it, send a beggar and mabuna woman, omo behe, omo. Of a sunny parent, me, yes, I do we sing now, and then now playing a free power, a co-opposition, Sunny Parasite can say, a banana meme come, a banana meme join the party, na meme join, when Tiana Makuma Swadia Mamo. Ain't and then Omofa, offer, Mrs. Sene, say NDC Ebetua, a Mahama appointees now on my channel, where she am on one of Mahama and Megwasi, a dent in America, and then ene obi ayama ni dibrese onya ade we say no or sabotage ni nua because onim se ni nua no enso pe sa position no no so pe no ene sa dia me ma untwan exactly adia ebe mo anima banyam no me sabotage o ene na akoda ni wantwi enketenkete e wo NDC mu agric minister beka say na finance minister beka say ofa omuti nko benkrum because ba ko ani bre ba ko sta me support to third force me support to obia ne party e ma ben da
so ma o ma ben brother
exactly na mum say o party a power dadia ofa minji wundi emfa o man na nshawonsa because ofa enkatie ebom na ase nkwan ye ni ba ko na ase nkwan mini anum no ekọ platform bia so a instead say omo beka enwoma eye beboa oman Ghana no mo so offer her political party bia nu a wabo oman Ghana mu a wadwe oman no ho Canada mi do nyankopon political party bia ni bo obi adwe no ho first and san wadwe oman no ho na se offer senka eyade ya adwe oman no ho a enka ene wuntu
we na go to for my wine
mate offer enka ene wuntu asema ye twene sra nya abasa no wuntu asema ye twene sra nya abasa no ya se sika ewo wuntu asem no kran eyesen sika ne yesen na ensem anase cases ade wo ho no dada cases ade wo ho no dada enen ye bema
opuni mu de nyina
ye did only prosecute any plea bargain about yi every court about the year free no sasika no offer ekwe na se oman na aboka
the oman to aboka
we talking of a money sasika na of attorney general no a year free on ma when you nya na atuesien Collinzada mo na Collinzada owe the country an amount of $200 million of a hefa
okukura no friend ma
to me the 1.2 million. Obi dey call 5 billion of an nyina ye je chiredi ekwa ko chesi wuntumi inti se enrebi twam na yaba na se ba be mani pa no ye dey only prosecute atono so eyi na asem ne dia offer e den na se wuntumi betumi atweska na ye mani ntweska no na se aso chi bi won ma ye farmer no dance ye betwe no sranya abasa offer president na ye settle Ghana no president na ye set no kamya mo man mu no me kam obi aso ate se o papa ana o ma mi ni bia wo mobo because emra no edi hiani emra ni sikani sana na Ghana for person mo kire
onim se oman ka se kosa entokwa na de ba onim sa
exactly
we ba won se onu ni ofie na mo twetwe ade na entokwa na mo person
me da say because why am
I o man so ba be the same thing akwachi obi a hu ni asem na
ekowie kira hwan na bre timamuni no ene oman ne bre timamuni no ene oman no ene bre ofa yenhwe yie na dachi no ye obi ka si ya your time any ahoya ko platform so ko baabi akọ denigrate obi dia eda ye ni mu twa ye masema mo kan no